Hi, my name is Tina Omari. I'm proud to say I'm a ReMar nurse. I took my NCLEX May the 28th. I found out I passed May the 29th. I use V2 here, my workbook. I use Quick Facts as well. These were like my holy Bible. I did Motivation Mondays, Winning Wednesdays. I listened to it while I was in the shower. I listened to it on the way to church. I listened to all lectures, repeated lectures, went in, took all the quizzes. I was so depressed from not passing. When I went in on the 28th, this was my seventh, it would have been my seventh time taking the exam. So I failed it 6 times. My life is going to change so much. I've had 3 to 4 interviews a day. Just getting multiple job offers. I have been blessed to have so many different options. This has opened up so many doors. And I thought, you can see I'm wearing my shirt right now. I wore the shirt the day of my exam. And I prayed and I was like, God, I'm not doing this again. I must pass my NCLEX. And by his grace and mercy, I did. And with my hard work and dedication. So I'm telling people, regardless of what you go through in life, I am a true testament to nothing going your way in life. I mean, from deaths to loss of relationships to births. I mean, you name it, I've been through it. Every challenge I faced, I was in the midst of the storm. And I graduated nursing school 2 years ago. So I missed the bar by this much, passing my NCLEX with not having to do re-education. So thank you so much, Professor Regina, Pastor Mark. You guys are right on the money. I'm a ReMar nurse.